I'm 30 years old. What I'm gonna do on TikTok? Hi, I'm Mara Genovese. I'm the CEO and founder of Imaging Power. So TikTok is a platform where people can create fun, authentic videos from 15 to 6 seconds. So TikTok is a platform for the Generation Z, for the Gen Zers. So 41% of the user base of TikTok age from 16 to 25 years old. So it is really a youth social media platform. It's a question that a lot of people come to ask us about it, like, I'm 30 years old, what I'm gonna do on TikTok? So I think, like, if we look back on the history of social media platforms, when Facebook started, was for students, it was created by Mark, that was a student at a university at the time. And then the objective of Facebook was to create community across colors, right? So you wouldn't see your mother, your father, your aunt on Facebook because they would say it's for students, it's for, people that are young. So when you look at Facebook right now, my mom is on Facebook, my aunt is on Facebook, and they are 60 years old. So you have to think the same of TikTok. No, you don't have to be beautiful. You can be like who you are, And I feel fascinated for the fact that an app that is related to music is bringing that confidence and that security to people. So they're not being insecure to create content anymore because the platform is giving that empowering. I think it's just fascinating.